So how do you delete iPhone contacts at once? Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are actually more ways how you can achieve this. The first one would be by selecting literally all of your contacts and deleting them, and you might feel like there isn't any official way to select it, like there isn't any like edit tool to select them, but there is this two-finger gesture which you can perform. So you can grab the first contact at the top, all sorted alphabetically, but you kind of like grab it with two fingers at the same time. So it kind of looks like this, where you can see now I'm selecting all of the contacts, and you can just keep on going until you reach the bottom, depending on how many you have. It might take a while, but it literally took like 4-5 seconds for me, and I have 36 contacts. So even if you had like 1,000, it wouldn't take too long, right? So you kind of like select them all like this, and then you need to hold it down on any of them like this, and they all get kind of like pile up on the top of each other, and you have the ability to delete all of these selected ones. So I can click on and delete 36 contacts, and they're going to be moved away into the trash folder, right? So they're likely going to be removed. And that's just kind of how it works. So that's how you can do this. That's the first option. And then the second one would be simply by signing out from an existing contacts account. So you can go to your settings and find the main section, and at the bottom you can see apps and find contacts from the list right in here. And we have some accounts, and as you can tell, I have iCloud, Gmail, and perhaps even more. And you have the ability to either uncheck the contacts and turn off and delete all those from this account, or literally delete the whole account from the phone. So that would also be like a one-click solution, which would get rid of like the majority of the contacts if you use them from that account. But I hope it helps. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future videos.